Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the pair of linear equation in two variables, chapter 3. Here we continue the objective types and MCQs of this chapter. So in the previous class also we solved some problems. Now we'll continue solving this. Here the first question in this class is the graphical representation of pair of equations are given. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and 6x plus 9y is equal to 5 will be, so the four options are given, will be what are these: perpendicular lines, intersecting lines, coincident lines, parallel lines. Out of these options we have to select one answer. For this one, so first we have to find out a1, b1, c1 anywhere given in the equation. Just write down a1 is 2 and see the equation and write this is a b c and this is a b and c. So here a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is 2. Again here a2 is 6, b2 is 9 and c2 is 5. So here we have to find out a1 by a2, that is 2 by 6, which is 1s are 3s are. So we are getting 1 by 3. So next b1 by b2, what is b1? 3. 3 by 9, that is 3 1s are 3 3s are. 1 by 3 we are getting. Next c1 by c2 is 2 is c1 and c2 is 5. Therefore this, so we get C, that is here I will write a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is 1 by 3, which both are equal. Then c1 by c2 is 2 by 3, which is not equal. So what is the correct options here? Since this is the condition, means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, the condition will be parallel lines. So this is the correct option. Multiple choice questions. So how we solve? See the equations. A, B, C will take. Both the equations are given. That is pair of linear equation. So now we have to find out which is the correct options. Here we solve this, taken each variable and see these two are equal and this is not equal. So the option parallel lines here. Now we move on to the next one. Next one, the following pair of linear equation will be parallel for which value of p. So we have to find out the value of p here. So here also same thing, two equations are given, but one unknown variable is there, that is p. So we have to find out this one. So next is a1 is 3. a1 is 3, then b1 is minus 1 and c1, this one a b c, a b c. So minus 1, then c1 is minus 5. Similarly a2 here is 6, b2 is minus 2, c2 is what? Minus p. A variable is given. So after writing this, next step is same thing as the previous problem. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next we'll take b1 by b2 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next last one is c1 by c2, which is equal to, that is minus so much, minus 5 and minus p. So here minus minus cancels, we'll get 5 by p. So therefore what is the condition now? We are getting a by a2 as of 1 by 2, b by b2 as 1 by 2, which is not equal to 5 by p. So now we have to take this one, that is 1 by 5 by p, here 5 by p is equal to 1 by 2 will take. Then cross multiply this. What happens? 2 into 10p is equal to 10 in this case. Again same thing, 1 by 2, it repeats. Then we are getting, in both the cases, if we take this or equate it to this of 1 by 2, 1 by 2, same we are getting p is equal to 10. So we have to, finally p can have any number other than 10. So what is the conclusion? P can have, because this is the condition, P can have any number other than 10. So the option here is B. All the real values except 10. So P we got here 10. So excluding this, all the real values except 10 is the correct answer. So here option B is the correct answer. Now we move on to the next. Next question is, Anil is a father of 2 children. His age is 3 times the sum of ages of his children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of 2 children. What is the father age? So here in this problem, we have to find out the age of the father. So for this, we have to just start the solution. What is the age of the father? We'll take first step. Let the age of Anil be. B is equal to much? A years. We'll take 2 variables. Years. Next, the sum of ages of 2 children. So 2 children is also we can consider as is equal to B years. One is A and another B. So what is the next point? Anil age is 3 times, this is the first statement given in the question, 3 times the sum of is 2 children. 2 children. So here we can form an equation. What is this? This can be written as 3 into B, children. 3 times the children's age, sum of the children's age. We'll take this one as first. So next is, after this, we have to write after 5 years. This is also next statement given in the question. Father age, that is Anil age what happens? Anil's age after 4 years will become, that is A plus 5 will take here. A plus 5. Now next step is after 5 years. After 5 years, children age will be how much? That is twice A plus 5. After this, 2 into B plus 10. So 2 into 5 will become 10. So next is, we'll take this both and we'll equate it. This is father's age after the 5 years. This is the sum of the age of the children's after 5 years. Now we'll take both the equation. That is A plus, here since the 2 children are there, we'll take 2 into 5, that is 10. B, that is the sum of the age of children, plus into 5 into 2 will become 10 years. 10 into all into 2 again. Twice it will become twice into B plus, that is sum of age of children, plus 10. So now we'll equate both. A plus 5 is equal to 2 into B plus 10. So now what happens? We have to simplify this. After simplifying, this one becomes a plus 5 is equal to 2b plus 20. So after this, what happens? This comes this side, and a plus this one minus 2b is equal to 20 minus 5 will be how much? That is a plus a minus 2b is equal to, otherwise we'll directly substitute a is equal to, so next step we'll continue in this form, that is substitute a is equal to 3b here in this equation. Take it as 2, a is equal to 3b in equation 2. So next step is 3. So what happens? This one, if we substitute here, a becomes 3b plus 5 is equal to 2b plus 20. So 2b plus 20, then we have to simplify. Now this comes this side, this goes this side. 3b minus 2b is equal to 20 minus 5. Then what happens? 3b minus 2b will be b, then 20 minus 5 will be 15. So we are getting b is equal to 15. So next step is, after this we have a is equal to, next step we have a is equal to 3b. So what happens? A, substitute b is equal to 15 here. So now what happens? 3 into b into 15 will become, a is equal to 3 into 15 will become 45. Therefore Anil's age is 45 years. So this is the solution. So we go on to the next question, that is the pair of equation y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 7 have. So y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 7 as. So there are 4 options. So we have to find out the correct answer here. So first step is, therefore we'll just write how to find out the solution here. This is very easy. We just write, these are the two equations, these two equations, that is this is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 7, or two equations. These represent always parallel lines. Equations represent parallel lines, two parallel lines. So here there is the option here is no solution is the correct option. So these two represents the parallel lines. Then we have to write, these are equation, these I'm just writing this for your reference. These equations, these are equations of the line parallel to the x-axis. So parallel to the x-axis. So therefore no solution. Therefore there is no solution. So these two lines are parallel to the x-axis. There is no solution. So this option A is the correct answer. Just I am writing why this is, there is no solution. The condition is these two forms a parallel lines to the x-axis. Therefore there is no solution. So option A is the correct answer. So now we move on to the next question, that is the fifth one. the value of p for which the pair of equations px minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 will have infinitely many solutions. So what happens here? We'll see what is the solution. So first step here is same thing. We have to write a1 is equal to how much? Take the equation. This is a, b, c. This is a, b, c. So now we have to write first one. A1 is p, b1 equal to minus 1 and c1 is equal to minus 2. Similarly, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to minus 2 and c2 is equal to minus 3. So now what happens? a1 by a2 is equal to p by 6. Next, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Minus minus cancels. We get 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. We get 2 by 3. Therefore, same thing here we have, that is p by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, taking this as we did in the previous problem, take this, cross multiply will get 2p is equal to 6, p is equal to 6 by 2, p is equal to 3 in the one case. Next, in the another case we have, that is p by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiply, then 3p is equal to 6 2s are 12, p is equal to 12 by 3, 3, 4. Therefore, what we get? P is equal to 3 and 4. So, which is the option correct? Therefore, we have the option as p as different values. Therefore, the pair of, for no value, the pair of equation will be infinitely many solution. So, we are getting many solution. Therefore, option C is correct here. Next, we move on to the next question. That is, if x is equal to a and if x is equal to a, y is equal to b is the solution of equations x minus y is equal to 6 and x plus y is equal to 10, then find the value of a and b. So for this we have to find the value. We have to substitute here x is equal to a and y is equal to b in the equation. X minus y is equal to 6, x plus y is equal to 10. Now substitute here a minus b will get 6, then a plus b is equal to how much? 10. Now add this, that is 1, this is 2. Then add. After adding, b get cancels, we get 2a is equal to 16, where a is equal to 16 by 2, 2 ones are 2 8s are. Therefore, a is 8. Similarly, substitute a is equal to 8 in equation 1. So what happens? Equation 1, that is a minus b is equal to 6. Therefore, 8 minus b is equal to 6. Therefore, b is equal to minus b is equal to 6 minus 8 minus b is equal to minus 2. 2 to cancel. Finally, what we get? Therefore, a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 2. So this is the solution to find out the values of a and b. So if you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.